Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Do you want Empower to warn you before you overspend? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up spending alerts and notifications on Empower in under 2 minutes. The first step is to open settings. Now, on your Empower mobile app, from your dashboard, you're going to click your profile icon and then select settings. Next is to go to notifications. Just find the notification tab to manage your alerts. Next is to enable spending alerts. Now just toggle on spending alerts and then set a threshold. This could be daily, weekly, or monthly. After that, you want to choose delivery method. So you're going to select whether you want alerts via email, mobile push, or both. And of course, the final step is to test it. So you want to make a small purchase to confirm alerts are working as expected. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.